Hello. All of us, with no exceptions, are sick and tired of COVID and bad news. Humanity in lockdown has gotten to the point where they cannot stand each other, which in actuality means that they cannot stand themselves or any representation or behaviors they hate. This doesn't mean anything bad generally. It's just that nobody was prepared for this. So we blame the system built on behaviors and controls that manipulates and segregates to keep the world moving. These systems hold little truth. They are all manipulations, and the people are starting to awaken to this. Or is it really? Realizing the depth in which one has been manipulated is not a comfortable experience. It involves some realizations that many will struggle against. No one likes uncertainty. We as humans cannot be free and must have plans, or else we wouldn't know what to do with ourselves. It is uncomfortable to realize that your whole reality is based upon lies and manipulation, and many will lash out at this, exposing these uncomfortable truths. Different people will realize certain segments of manipulations while not realizing other portions, and they will lash out at others that are realizing the other portions in manipulations and not theirs. Neither group will be seeing the whole truth. This is where, if we are not careful, humanity will turn on itself. The truth is that humanity needs to let go of individual reactions. There is no bravery in groups. You cannot hold any truths as absolutes. Extreme flexibility in your consciousness is what is needed during this time. The ability to be present and experience your reality above the system is what is needed at this time. Change for a better tomorrow starts with you. Be willing to let it all go and embrace the space of vulnerability where this setting actually leads to. Just be present, breathe, reconnect to those deeper aspects of yourself. There is no deeper connection available than the basic sense of right and wrong. It is time to release and remember. Treat others with equal opportunity and judge by what you see and feel, not system-based in the old world. Do this, and you will survive. Remember, today is tough. Tomorrow is harder, but the day after will be sunshine. Don't give up.